Hi everyone, I am Manish Kumar speaking in this topic. I am speaking today the topic of geothermal power generation, and its advantages, disadvantages, and its applications. We will know about the geothermal generation. The contents are in the introduction of geothermal receivers, extraction and uses, direct use of geothermal energy, indirect use of geothermal energy, geothermal energy in India, and its advantages, disadvantages. These are the contents we will be knowing in these topics. Introduction. What is geothermal energy? The definition of geothermal energy is it is simply that the heat or energy of the earth generated by the various natural processes such as heat from when the planet formed by the accelerated which has not yet been lost, decay of the radioactive element friction. This and the figure is shown in the page. Geothermal receivers means receivers can be suspected in the area where we find geyser, boiling mud point, volcano, hot springs, and the figure is shown in the page. These are the four types of the geothermal receivers. Geothermal receivers contain the rising hot water and steam trapped in a permeable and porous rocks to form a geothermal receivers. Receivers can be discovered by testing the soil, analysis the underground temperature, and the figure is just shown in the geothermal receiver figure shown in the page. We can check out in the figure. Extraction and their uses. The heat energy can be brought to the Earth's surface by following ways directly from hot spring, geyser, geothermal heat pump. Direct use of geothermal energy. Eating water at fish farms provide heat for the buildings. Raising plants in the greenhouse, drying crops provide heat to the industrial process. These are the direct uses of the, geothermal energy. And next we'll go to the next topic. Indirect use of geothermal energy. This is the figure of geothermal power plant. In geothermal power plant, there are electricity generation, and mainly turbine, generator, water, steam, and receiver rock building, steam out of or water or rock or heated or magma. Magma will be placed in the geothermal energy. Electricity generation content. There are types of power plants: dry steam power plant, fish steam power plant, binary cycle power plant. These are the three types of power plants present in the electricity generation. First, we know about the dry steam power plant. This is the figure of the dry steam power plant, and some labels are placed here. The turbines, generating facility, condenser, cool water, steam rising, production well, injection well. These are the figure of the dry steam power plant. Dry steam power plant content. Oldest types of the geothermal power plant use the geothermal receiver containing pure steam is required. Pure dry steam device turbine. Very rare types of geothermal power plant operating at California, Italy, and Japan. These are the points of the dry steam power plant. Next, we'll go to the fish steam power plant. This is a figure of fish steam power plant where as usually turbine and electric generator present in the fish steam and the dry steam. And in this the load is applied and injection well production will be pipelines will be cool water pipeline and rock layers, hot water and phase. These are the labels present in the figure of the flash steam power plant. Mm, Flash steam power plant commonly used as geothermal power plant. Geothermal receivers containing both hot water and steam is required. In geothermal receivers, both hot water and steam is mainly required. Pressure changing system is required. Operating to the Hawaii and Nevada, etc. These are the points of the flash steam power plant. Next, we'll go to the binary cycle power plant. Binary cycle power plant is as usually same to the flash steam power plant, and labels are plain. We should note down. Binary cycle power plant does not use steam directly to the spin turbines. We should not use any steam to the spin turbines, so it will be make with a problem. Only the heat of the underground water is used. Only the heat of the underground water is used. Vaporized hydrocarbons are used to the spin to the turbine. Worldwide accepted power plant. This power plant accepted by the worldwide, and these are the points of the binary cycle power plants. Geothermal energy in India, the where the places marking on the green surface, there the geothermal energy in India placed in a geothermal in India. We know the places like some places placed geothermal energy in India. Geothermal provinces are estimated to produce 10,600 mega power of power. Himalayan, Snana, West Coast, Cambona, Sun Namrada, Tapi, Godavari, and Mahanandi. First optional commercial geothermal power plant is likely to come up in a AP with a capacity of 25 MW by Geo Syndicate PVT Ltd. And its advantages are available all the year around, does not involve any combustion of fuel, independent of weather, economically sound alternative, sustainable resources. Advantages, these are the advantages of geothermal energy power plant. And in independently it is independent of weathers, okay, and economically sound alternative. And disadvantages of energy geothermal energy power plant, not widespread source of energy. It's not widespread source of energy. High installation cost, can run out of steam, make release harmful gases, transportation earthquakes. These are the some types of disadvantages in the geothermal power plant. And the advantages and disadvantages both present in the advantages and disadvantages. Like for last, finally we came to the conclusion. In conclusion, we'll be knowing the what we studied in the geothermal power plant. Annual cost reduction up to 60%. It is cost reduction up to 60% will be placed in the geothermal power plant. Replaces fossil fuels heating system, partial solution to the energy needs. These are the conclusion of the geothermal energy power plant. And finally, the topic is end, and thank you.